Beautician family friends, how are you all doing today? We are back. Oh yes, we are back. We are on holiday till further notice. But yes, your favorite family is gonna be eating. Okay, we are gonna be eating it off. We're isolating, but we are eating. Okay.
Wait, mommy, when we go
On
holiday?
to we're on holiday. This is holiday. This is holiday. Okay.
Okay, guys, we are eating again.
This food is made by your chef Chichi. Okay.
Since the way Chichi is happy,
Chef Chichi made this food for you all, okay?
I'm making seafood, tagliatella, and some mixed veg.
What's that? Tagliatella.
Tagliatella.
I don't want to eat tiger.
You
Oh
there's crab inside.
I don't want to eat tiger.
Mommy, there's crab inside of it.
I don't
Really? You know, it sounds like
Why you crying for
tiger.
me?
But yes, let's show you guys how we
Stop
made
talking,
this
continue.
yummy, delicious meal. And we're going to be back.
Yes, we are going to be back.
Hey, let's eat. That was crying because you know what? That was no one to leave the computer and eat. He thinks he's gonna be on the computer all day, but no. You gotta eat, Dapsy. This is for me, Mots, okay? Cheers to guys. I think this was needed.
Mommy,
This isolation was needed.
Well, I beat your ass.
mommy, you should be so sad.
Why?
Why you break one of your cups?
He broke my cup.
You break
broke
one
my
of your
cup.
cup.
Yeah, whoa.
You
Well,
broke, Daddy broke my
I
cup.
It looked like
Well,
that.
I beat your high school.
That was one of my high school. I'll come on to your high school. So I helped you.
No, just because I forced
I have a feeling our food is gonna run out.
Yes, you did.
4 days, the way we are eating.
School.
No, yeah.
Imagine if the store is not open. Imagine. Why did you take
Oh,
my phone?
man, it wasn't even
Why
me.
did you take
It
my
wasn't
phone?
even me. It wasn't
It
even
wasn't
me.
it.
Give me my phone.
It wasn't. You made me die.
Ah!
Look. Next time you
Why
take my
would I
phone,
take my phone again? No,
take my phone, I'll send you to school.
No, why don't take it?
Really?
Yeah,
It was you after all. I know. You are the cheeky boy.
it.
You.
Take it.
You cheeky boy.
Yeah, you're not Luffy, you're Mikkel. The person.
Okay, guys, the food is
Listen to blues.
ready.
Okay, let's dance.
Yeah.
For example, Robert, you do like this.
Yeah.
Do like this. Do like that. D'accord? D'accord? This, you guys get used to this kind of life. That's the kind of life you're living for the next 1 year. That's gonna be in this house.
That one first. That one. How big portion do you want?
No.
Not enough.
No.
No, Dapsy,
It
how to
looks
eat
like
more.
rubber
No.
bands. I
Yeah.
actually like rubber bands.
It looks like jellyfish. No.
What do you say?
Not me.
What do you say,
You
Dapo?
don't know what veg. You need veg so you can grow
Dapo, what do you
strong.
say?
No. Pig.
Say thank you.
Circle.
You need vegetables so you can grow nice
Dapo.
and strong.
I don't want veggie.
Thank
By
you.
fire, by force.
By die or guy.
Oh my.
Do not die or guy.
Oh my.
Let's say. I have to go test Thank you, Daddy.
How's the prediction wrong?
I stain the plate. When you are doing serving people, you must not stain the plate. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Bandy, please pass me the plate.
How come
That's your what? That's your what?
Plate.
How could you give me a lot?
Because you like it. You
Daddy,
like
do
it.
you
But
want
not
it?
nowadays. I've been eating since morning.
Daddy, do you
I've been eating since
Bandy,
morning.
pass the drink,
So
please.
you give me a lot.
Pass the what drink?
This one. That's too tough.
This is really nice.
Dapo, do you want some juice?
What do you mean juice?
There's some. I don't give Dapo enough meat.
That's it.
The seafood. Body, do you want some as well?
No.
Mmm.
And the body will want some.
This is actually nice.
Can Can you give my fork, please? Thank you. Oh, this is the food. See, guys. It's nice, isn't it?
But do you like it?
Not really.
What's not really? Do you like it or not?
No.
No.
Banja is there.
It's okay.
Not nice.
But it's not bad, so.
Not bad, not bad.
It's really nice.
I like this stuff. Isn't it?
Very nice.
Daddy, where did you buy this? I thought all the shops closed down.
Yeah, not really. Not all the shops that closed down. But there just be like so much scale that you can't say pasta. That is why I got this idea from. I go to the shop to go and look for pasta, but there's no pasta. Then I see tagliatella and I was like, wow, okay, this. But sometimes you will never think of eating tagliatella, isn't it? This kind of pasta.
You just buy your normal pasta. Just grill. No time for trying and error.
But because there's no normal pasta, fusilli, lasagna sheet,
there's
even
prawns.
served. Yeah, there's everything. There's seafood. There is prawns. There is mussels, squid, crab, lobster.
Wow.
There's squid. From where?
There's squid if you look for it. But this squid,
You like from where did you get it from?
no, it's seafood. I bought the seafood pack. It comes together.
Oh, that one you bought the last time.
That
That I didn't like.
yeah.
Remember the one you bought?
Hello.
I think that for like this, isn't it?
That's right.
Head now.
Kind of. Everything is kind of.
Because of turkey.
That's not talking. It's crab.
There's a crab.
Yeah, it is nice.
No.
It tastes nice. Seriously.
Mm.
Look,
Even boy, you like it.
Wow.
I like it, but I don't like the crab.
Yeah, but you don't have plenty in yours anyway.
Wow.
Dejichi, what are we going to be doing on this nice holiday?
We're gonna be
Go to the full park.
having more family time.
Family time.
This is the time to have more family time.
Guys, I think
you don't-
this is the best time
If you
to
don't
do
spend,
things.
if you don't spend time with your family, even guys that don't spend time with their family, this is the time for you to be indoor. I watched a video that they asked a guy to spend time with his wife and family, or the other option. The guy chose the other option before he did not want to spend time with his wife and family. But this is the time to be together as a family, spend more time together. You know?
Daddy, we were to go to like Fort Park or Trump Park or something.
And not at this time. Everything is closed down. We're supposed to go next 2 weeks, but
They might be closed down.
they might be cancelled. They might find out. Yeah.
People get their money back if they booked anything they couldn't go to.
Yeah.
It is the only way you can get your money back.
No, you will not get your money back.
Only if
What this?
if
What's
they
this
cancel.
a steak?
If they cancel, if they not cancel, it's not like you can
What's
always book
this?
anytime. Just faster.
No, then that is squid.
Is that sweet?
Yeah.
How?
That's
Eat it.
weird.
It's nice.
I ate that.
Was it sweet? Was it nice?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like pasta.
No, it's not pasta. It's very nice and like a
Is this squid?
crisp. Yeah.
Squid.
I thought it was pasta.
So can I taste it?
I was like, this pasta is
No,
really
that
nice.
is that is mussel.
Yes.
No, that is the crab.
This is the crab.
This is a crab.
It's not
too.
squid. It's not squid.
Crab is small.
The squid is white.
But can I taste yours?
Yeah, but once you get
Crab is small. It don't look like crab like Daddy Bola. So this one is the smaller one.
So can I taste the squid?
The baby crab.
No, I don't want to taste it.
It's nice.
Yeah, it seems that cannot
No,
be.
I
Seems
don't
that
buy it all.
if they cancel it, they might reschedule.
Don't buy it all.
Like shows that cannot hold again. But not the one that you can always book anytime. They'll ask you to rebook.
they will ask you to book, yeah. Or if you get the ticket, they might just say that you can use the ticket anytime you want.
It doesn't really taste like anything. It just tastes like squid. There you go.
It tastes like squid. Sometimes it tastes like rubber.
What does it taste like?
Yeah. Nothing. It tastes like nothing. Yeah, nothing.
Really?
Yeah. YouTube flavor.
It don't have a little bit of flavor.
Yeah.
Seriously, I really enjoyed it.
This is really nice.
This time of the year, you can't waste no food. This food, this pasta, I'm gonna keep it in the fridge
Apple.
and eat it.
Squid.
Yeah.
I eat it tomorrow.
What? What?
Even
What's
this
it?
time, you can freeze anything. Anything,
What?
you can freeze it. Believe
Oh,
me,
you
guys.
can have it.
Don't waste no food. This is not the time to waste food.
Can I have it?
Freeze anything possible.
Can I have it?
Freeze milk, cheese. Yes, you
I
can
don't
freeze
want
that.
Thing.
Can
I
freeze
want the
it,
squid.
Yeah, you can freeze your wife as well.
So she won't get fat.
Yeah.
They need to freeze me though, because after you need to freeze their wife. But if you not freeze your wife, after self-isolation, there's two things that can happen. You guys will start doing maternity shoots or start going to the gym.
Me? Ah. I thought your man was gonna go to the gym.
Malt to the rescue.
That's malt.
Yeah.
I thought it was alcohol.
No?
Is it not?
Oh.
Malt. Nice.
No.
Nice.
That's all.
Why?
Apple, you already had
Okay, guys, we're gonna close this video here. As always, we're gonna be eating off camera. But if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe and stay safe. Okay? Love you all. Bye.
Bye.